Welcome to English Simple Learn.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Simple Learn. My name is Mike.
And I'm Sarah. In today's episode, we're going to practice English conversations about hobbies, like reading books, playing games, and doing activities.
Exactly. We'll learn simple phrases you can use to talk about what you like, ask others about their hobbies, and share your favorite activities.
We'll divide today's episode into 12 parts. In each part, we'll explain the phrases and then give you a short example conversation.
Okay, let's start with the basics. To talk about hobbies, we usually use I like or I love.
Right. For example, I like reading books, or I love watching movies.
Yes, it's very simple. You can also say I enjoy.
Good one. Like, I enjoy cooking.
So remember, I like, I love, I enjoy. These are easy ways to share your hobbies.
Let's listen to a short conversation.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books.
Really? What kind of books do you like?
I love mystery stories.
Oh, nice. I enjoy mystery too.
Great. Maybe we can share books sometime. Now, how do we ask about someone's hobbies?
Easy. You can say, what's your hobby?
Or, what do you like doing? Both are correct.
Yes, and another way is, what do you do for fun?
That's a very natural question, like friends talking.
Okay, let's hear an example. What's your hobby?
My hobby is playing video games.
Cool. What kind of games do you play?
I play adventure games and puzzles.
Nice. I like sports games.
Great. Maybe we can play together one day.
Next, let's learn how to say how often you do your hobby.
We use words like always, often, sometimes, never.
For example, I always play soccer on weekends.
Or, I sometimes watch TV after work.
So, frequency words help us explain our routine.
Let's practice with a conversation. Do you play guitar often?
Yes, I play guitar every day.
Wow, that's amazing.
I always practice in the evening.
I sometimes play guitar, but I'm not very good.
That's okay. Practice makes perfect.
Now let's see how to invite someone to do a hobby with you.
We can say, do you want to...
Or let's... It's very friendly.
For example, do you want to watch a movie?
Or let's play soccer this weekend.
Perfect. Let's hear an example. Do you want to play basketball this weekend?
Sure, let's play on Saturday.
Great. What time is good for you?
How about 3 p.m.?
Perfect. I'll bring the ball.
Awesome. I'll bring water for us.
Let's talk about new hobbies.
You can say, I want to try when it's something new.
Or I'm learning when you already started.
For example, I want to try yoga.
Or I'm learning how to cook Italian food.
Let's listen to an example. I want to try cooking Italian food.
That sounds fun.
Yes, I love pasta and pizza.
I'm learning how to paint.
Oh, that's interesting. What do you paint?
I paint flowers and landscapes. It's relaxing. Now let's talk about where people do their hobbies.
Yes! Some people read at home. Others go to the library.
Exactly. For sports, people usually play at the park or at the gym.
And don't forget, you can also do hobbies at cafes or even online.
The key phrase is, I like hobby at place.
Perfect. Let's listen to an example.
Where do you usually read?
I read books at the library. It's quiet there.
That's nice. I usually read at home in my room.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball at the park near my house.
Cool. I go to the gym 3 times a week. Now let's practice saying when we do our hobbies.
Yes, we can say in the morning, at night, after work, on weekends,
For example, I read at night before bed.
or I play games on weekends.
Just remember, time expressions usually come at the end of the sentence.
Great point. Now, let's hear the example.
When do you usually watch movies?
I watch movies on Saturday nights.
Nice. I usually read in the morning before work.
That sounds relaxing. I play video games after dinner.
Oh, cool. I usually play on weekends.
Same here. It's my favorite weekend hobby. Now, let's learn how to share opinions about hobbies.
We can use words like fun, relaxing, exciting, boring,
For example, I think painting is relaxing.
or playing guitar is fun.
This is a great way to show how you feel.
Exactly. Let's check the example.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I think it's fun.
I agree. I find it relaxing too.
How about running?
For me, running is boring.
Really? I think running is exciting and healthy. Sometimes we want to compare hobbies.
Yes, we can use prefer or like more than.
For example, I prefer reading to watching TV.
Or, I like books more than movies.
It's an easy way to say your favorite.
Let's see how it works in a dialogue. Do you like reading or watching movies?
I prefer reading books.
Interesting. I like movies more than books.
Well, books are more relaxing for me.
And movies are more exciting for me.
Different hobbies, but both are fun.
Some hobbies are done alone, others with friends.
Yes, for example, I like reading alone.
Or, I usually play soccer with friends.
Group hobbies are great for socializing.
Solo hobbies are nice for relaxing by yourself.
Both are important. Let's listen to an example.
Do you prefer hobbies alone or with friends?
I like reading alone in my room.
I see. I usually play soccer with my friends.
That sounds fun. Do you also like solo hobbies?
Yes, I sometimes watch movies alone.
Great. We can enjoy both group and solo hobbies. Hobbies are also about skills we can learn.
Yes, we can say, I'm good at cooking.
Or, I'm learning to play the guitar.
Another phrase, I want to improve my English.
Skills make hobbies more interesting.
Let's hear an example conversation. Are you good at drawing?
Yes, I'm pretty good at it.
That's great. I'm learning to play piano.
Wow, that sounds fun.
I want to improve my English too.
Me too. Learning is always a good hobby.
Finally, let's talk about hobbies in the future.
We can use I want to or I'm going to.
For example, I want to start painting next month.
Or I'm going to join a yoga class.
It's a great way to talk about future goals.
Let's hear the last dialogue for today. Do you have plans for a new hobby?
Yes, I want to start painting next month.
Nice. I'm going to join a dance class.
That sounds exciting.
I also want to learn photography.
Cool. Future hobbies keep life interesting. And that's it for today's episode of English with Hobbies. We hope you enjoyed practicing how to talk about your favorite activities.
Remember, listen to the dialogues again and repeat the sentences out loud. That's the best way to practice and remember.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And of course, subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. Thanks for listening, and keep practicing English every day.
See you next time.